Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. The curve is a quadratic where the coefficient of x to the power of 2 is 4 over 3 and p is its turning point. Here is about letter p in here. Given that the red shaded area is 959 over 9 square units. Calculate exactly black shaded area. Here is about the black shaded area over enclosed area R. Let's see from this one. In its simplest form. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We know that the coefficient of x to the power of 2 is 4 over 3. So we can create the equation of f of x in here. It's about 4 over 3 x squared plus bx plus c. We have the turning point in here, so we need to find first the derivative of the function. So you will go about 8 over 3 x plus b, and we put first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. As you can see that the turning point in here as x equal to number 0, so it means this one equal to number 0. So we can find the value s equal to negative b over a over 3. To get the value s equal to number 0, b should be about number 0 in here. Now we have the next equation. That's about f of x equal to 4 over 3 x squared plus b plus c in here. And now we have the next one. The area of the red shaded area is about 959 over 9. So we need to use about the integral from 5 over 2 to number 6. So we put them into the integral, and that should be about this one in this one. We put 5 over 2 to number 6, and we get this one in here. In this way we can find the value of c. And equal to 959 over 9. This is minus in here. we calculate that's about 229 over 9. Now we have the value in here. So we have the turning point at s equal to number 0. We can find the value of p at y in here. So we put about s equal to 0. So we can find the value of y is about 229 over 9. So the point p in here should be about 0 and 229 over 9. So we can find the point on here as s equal to number 6. We call that about point E. That's about 661 over 9. And we have this point is about 6 and 0. So this is about F. Now we can find the vector BE. That's about number 6 minus 0, and this number minus this number. We got 48. So we can find normal vector of BE equals to negative 48 and number 6. So now we can create the equation of the line PE in here. That's about negative 48. We choose the value P as the point through the PE. So we have 0. And we have number 6 multiplied 229 over 9 plus D equal to 0. So we can find the value of D in here. That's about negative 458 over 3. So the value of line BE we need to find that's about negative 48x plus 6y minus 458 over 3 equals to number 0. The next one, that's about P to this point, that's the PF. We do the similar for BE. So F we have number 6 minus 0 and 0 minus this number. So we can find the normal vector of PF. That's about 229 over 9. And we have number 6. So we can find the line PF. That's about 229 over 9. We choose the value P, the point P in here. So we can find the value of D in here is about negative 229. And we can find the equation line PF. after we find this equation, now we need to consider about the area. We have B, E, they go to this way, so we can find the location. They can get this equation intersect with OS in here. So that's about BE, and we use this one. So in this situation, y will become the 0, and we can find the value of s in here. That's about minus 229 over 72. So that's the location in here. So we can find the value of the small rectangle in here. We have PO multiplied with O this way, divide multiply with 1 over 2. So we can find the small shaded area. We put number 1, and we have 229 over 72 multiplied with the location of the point P is about this one. Then we have 1 over 2 because that's about rectangle. The next one, we find the area in here from 0 to 5 over 2. We can use about the integral of about BF. We use about BF in here. So we have the equation of line in here. So we can find the value of y. So we put this number on the right, and we divide by 6. So we find the black shaded area. Number 2 equals to from 0 to 5 over 2 for this one. So we just find about flash shaded area is about this number. So with this number, the next one is about so we have BE with the curve in here, and we just do about the integral. BE in here. we simplify two number in here. We put 5 over 2 in the ask. And we got about 325 over 18. And now we use this one, divide for this one. We got about 7, 9, 4, 6, 3, 1, 1, 7, 0, 0. And this is about the final answer in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.